Hi everyone. I can't begin to explain how excited I am to be back in our school one last time. I've pictured this moment, and I've always imagined giving my final address in the gym in front of you all. But since that is not possible, I can hope that I have a moment of your time to reflect on this year. I'm not going to preach about the differences or losses of this year. I believe I speak for everyone when I say we've all heard it one too many times. So let's focus on some positive and funny moments, like when we shielded our eyes when Tim Maloney strutted in our direction, or that time we cheered as Mr. Stevens shaved the Montreal Canadiens in his head when we reached our raffle goal. We danced along to Mr. P's TikTok dances, we dodged pigeons in King's Square, we waited in the seemingly endless line at Sisters for their sacred mac and cheese on Thursdays. You all avoided me while I hunted down at least half of our grad class to play assembly games. We cheered our hearts out when the boys made their final shot at the memorial game. We sang Sweet Caroline when the speakers cut out. We all did this, and we did it together as a family. To the class of 2023, I have been overwhelmed by the positivity your grade brings to this school. Your eagerness to get involved has not gone unnoticed, and I can only hope that you will continue to make change in the school and in the community. Please remember how you felt coming into high school and use that to help the new students. They will need your support and your smiles. To the class of 2022, you are halfway there, and there is no doubt that grade 11 is a tough year, but your perseverance is evident, and I know that you will all succeed. The years fly by, so don't wish them away. To the class of 2021, congratulations, seniors. As you round the corner into your last year at STM, soak everything in. Go to every grad event, every football Friday, live every St. Malachy's moment because you don't know which will be your last. Remember that being the leaders of the school comes with responsibility. Help the new students find their classes and give the grade 10s the advice you wish you had. I am proud to have watched you become the students you are today over the past 3 years. And to the class of 2020, congratulations, we made it. And we made it in the most unconventional way. We will go down in history as the first graduating class of the decade. We made lifelong friends, we laughed along the way, we were taught by the kindest teachers, and we lost one last year. Our graduating class is unforgettable. I cannot begin to express the pride I have to be graduating amongst this group of students. The humility, kindness, and community amongst us is unimaginable. So from the first time I said this in 2016 to now, I hope you will stand proud with me one last time. Welcome to the class of 2020. As I look back on all of the photos and videos from my 4 years at St. Malachy's, so much has changed. But one thing has remained very consistent: the spirit, the smiles, the genuine joy to be a saint. So if there's one thing I would like to ask all of you, it's this: don't let your pride go. Keep sharing your STM photos, memories, videos, and smiles. These years fly by, and once they're gone, all that remains are the memories. And as the class of 2020 knows, you never know when it's going to be the end. When people ask me what I'm most proud of at St. Malachy's, without hesitation, I say this. I say I am proud of the students and their unconditional pride to be saints. As we go our separate ways and leave our legacy, remember that we are always a family. Every teacher, student, and staff member is a piece of this family that can never be broken or forgotten. Thank you for allowing me the privilege to lead you this year, and I wish you all the best of luck wherever you go and whatever you do. Thank you.